Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure PropertyRadar Market Insights Beginner Guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the PropertyRadar website. Log into your PropertyRadar account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the main dashboard on your screen. Find the Market Insights section from the navigation menu. Click on Market Insights to access the relevant tools and features. On the Market Insights page, choose the area you wish to analyze. Utilize the map tool to zoom in on your desired location. Once you have pinpointed your area, select the specific market insights you want to explore. You can filter results based on criteria such as property type, price range, and date of transactions. Adjust these filters according to your research needs. Review the available data presented, which may include recent sales, market trends, and comparable properties. Take note of key metrics highlighted in each section. Utilize the graphs and charts provided for a visual representation of the data. If needed, export the data for further analysis by clicking the Export option. Save your preferences for future sessions by clicking on the Save Settings button. With your configurations complete, review your results and dive deeper into specific properties of interest. Make sure to regularly check back to see updated insights as the market changes. Feel confident in your ability to leverage market insights for informed decision-making. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.